video. In case you're new here, my name is Miss Kenya, and guys, I am from doing our monthly shopping, and then after that I filmed a shopping haul. The ones that I film monthly, I will leave a link to the video in the description box below in case it goes before this one. And I feel tired. I'm not even lying. Today I don't even feel like cooking, but luckily I have a recipe for such days when you don't feel like cooking, when you don't feel like doing anything, you feel tired. And this recipe requires minimal effort, very few ingredients, and you guys, it will take very little time, and it's awesome. It's perfect. I might say a lot about it, but I will show you the recipe because we are going to be cooking with you. And nowadays I seem to be doing a lot of cook with me videos on Sunday. But guys, without talking too much, let's get into the video. This is everything that I'm going to be using. I have meat, and this one is steak, and then I have garlic. I'm going to be using 4 cloves of garlic. I have carrots. These are 2 big carrots and a half. I have onions. I am using 2. This is white onion and this is red onion, 2 big onions. I have sweet corn. I have peas. I have paprika, and this is mixed herb. These are the only 2 spices that I'm going to be using. I wish I had thyme because it really goes well with this recipe, but I don't have it, so we use what I have. I have salt. This is my salt. I have tomato paste, very important. I have butter, very important because we are not going to be using cooking oil or olive oil. We are going to be using butter. And then I have rice, and of course I'm not going to be using all this rice. I'm going to be using 1 cup of rice. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to put the beef on fire. I'm going to place it on fire, and then I will prepare the ingredients with you. But don't worry, we are cooking together, so you will see all the processes. So let's get into work. So this is the meat that I'm going to be using. Of course, I wasn't going to use a kg of steak. This is beef steak. So I will place it on fire, and then I will put kidogo salt. This spoon, I'm going to put a spoon of salt. Actually that is a lot, but it's okay. And then I will cover it. Sorry, there are things falling off, but before I cover it, I'm going to do that. And then I will cover it, and then I will go prepare the other ingredients. So let's do that. This is how my meat is looking, and this is the reason why I didn't boil it, because I knew it would have a lot of water. So I want the water to be all drained, to all evaporate, so that I can start cooking it. But in the meantime, that is how it's looking. It's already ready, but let's wait for the water to drain up. I am back and the water is all gone. So I will add a spoon of butter. You can see it was starting to burn. And then I will add in my garlic. and fan my onion. I have used a lot of onion, and I have used both a white onion and a red onion. So this is how it's looking now. Don't worry about this will be gone. Actually, this is not burning. It's the gravy holding up to the soup. It will be gone by the time we are finished cooking. So don't worry about that too much. So that is how that is looking. So I will cover this up as I go to prepare my rice. This is my rice. I have already washed this and drained the water. So what I'm going to do, let me put all of it. I don't want any of it to remain. My rice, I'm going to add the carrot, the peas, and the sweet corn. I'm going to add all of them, and then I'm going to take my salt and add a little bit of it, enough of it. And then I will, this is the spoon I was using to scoop butter, so don't worry about it. And then I will mix everything up, make sure that it's even. So I will mix it evenly. That is how it's looking. So I will leave it as I go back to my meat. My meat is looking like this now, and the onions are translucent, as you can see. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add a spoonful of tomato paste, like that. And then I'm going to add in my mixed herbs. You can add in your thyme if you have it, but I don't. So I will add in my mixed herbs. A generous amount because I want to feel the taste of it. And then I will mix everything together. So that is how it looks now. And remember, I have mixed up my rice with all the other ingredients. So what I'm going to do, I will add in my rice. And I add all of it. I will add in my rice and fan. Then I will add water. I used 1 cup of rice, base cup, so I have used 2 cups of water. And then I will add butter again. Butter is the main ingredient of this food. If you don't have it, it won't turn out nice. So I'm going to spread it evenly on all the corners. And I will be back when the water is all drained. This is how our rice is looking, and the water is all drained, as you can see. If I had a big tray, I would have flapped it, but since I don't have a big tray, I'm going to serve it like that. And this is how it's looking. So this is it. This is it. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know how yours turn out to be. If you try it out, it's a very good recipe to try out for lazy days when you don't feel like cooking, because it requires minimal work, minimal ingredients, and yeah, that is perfect for a lazy day, and it's delicious. I am sure your stomach, your relatives, your friends, your family will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me see you on my next video, but before I sign out, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.